Hey, we're at our factory here in North Carolina, the best of the best. Like truly, these guys are the best in the foam industry. We consider ourselves one of the best in the mattress industry.
Absolutely.
We've collided together to make the best product in the industry, and that's the Snooze Flip. So many proprietary ingredients that are made here in this factory to make sure the mattresses are all perfect. Every single one of them looks the same, feels the same, and it feels unique to anything else out there. So today we're gonna kind of film that and show a little bit about behind the scenes of who Snooze Flip is and why we're different than anybody else out there.
And the best part about it is that we get to emphasize and show the world exactly what it is that we want to bring to you and put in your bedroom to show you some of the new features and benefits that we have when it comes to the Snooze Flip.
Yeah.
This is a product that's made for
everybody. Absolutely, the true 4-in-1 mattress. Firm on one side, soft on the other side, cold on one side, warm on the other side. Extra lumbar support, proprietary to this industry, and it's a 122-year warranty. There's a reason it's a 122-year warranty. You're gonna find that out today.
Exactly.
This is the rawest form of the Snooze Flip foam. After the foam was manufactured here in America in North Carolina and poured right over across the street, this is where it comes to. With this proprietary Snooze Swirl foam, it's truly designed to keep you 3 to 4 degrees cooler than any other mattress in the industry. The Snooze Tex foam, which is an amazing feel that bounces back while you're on it, and then the true lumbar support, you can't even see it right now, but it is cut down the center third, where it is actually higher. Where we're heavier, this mattress is higher. There's a reason we back this up with the best warranties in the industry, because truly this is the most unique mattress and it is the best mattress in the industry.
Some people like to have the Cadillacs and Lexuses and things like that, and that's where you get into your other brands, your Snooze and people like that who've redesigned theirs to be a little different than the rest and have an advantage or that maybe other manufacturers or brands wouldn't have. So.
Absolutely. So we're NTFI Polyurethanes. We're a family-owned polyurethane manufacturer in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We pour all of our own foam, and we're sitting in here right now in our state-of-the-art mattress manufacturing facility. We partnered with Matt and the Snooze team while he began to develop the Snooze Flip mattress, which has 2 proprietary types of foams, a memory foam with some cooling properties specific to Matt and the Snooze brand, and then also the Snooze Tex, which is very similar to a buoyant property of a latex feeling foam comfort layer as well. So very unique in terms of the performance of the mattress, but then also the performance and technology in the cover is very unique as well, giving the brand 4-in-1 experience and comfort as well. So very, very unique to the market. We're excited to be working with Matt and his team.
To me, a good mattress should have a boxy edge to it. And that's one thing about the construction of this Snooze, the way it's built with the layers, the good solid core. It's a very boxy mattress. It's a really good supportive mattress, really nice mattress. So you guys were able to be on site today where we put together this Snooze mattress. As you can see, very, very good looking mattress, very clean lines like we talked about. It's very eye-catching. Plus, as you've seen through the assembly process, you know, everything here is done as if that mattress is, you know, everything's one of one. It's not mass produced. There's no, we're herding the mattresses through. We're actually taking the time to inspect each one of them through every facet of manufacturing.
You guys are the best. We're honored to be a part of this journey for sure, but Snooze Flip, truly something different out there. Made by the best of the best, made in America, we're proud of that. 122-year warranty, the longest warranties in the industry. Do you know why we do 122 years? Because the oldest person to ever survive was 122 years old, and we want to make sure that that person's taken care of, the next oldest guy. Covered for life, a true lifetime warranty. So we were able to take you behind the scenes in our factory in America in North Carolina to truly see why this bed is the best in the industry, and you can now get yours at snoozeflip.com.